Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find someone's Instagram account by photo. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to download this application on your mobile phone. You can go to your Play Store or Apple Store, and then you can search for this application. This application is called Search by Image application. You just need to download and install this application. And after you have downloaded and installed this application, you can open it and you're going to upload image you want to find to this application. Wait guys, I'm going to open up my Instagram application, and then I'm going to select one of the photo right here. I'm just going to use this photo as an example. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to the search by image application. Wait, we can go to this application, and then you can click on this plus icon guys, and then you can upload the photo you want to find. I'm just going to choose this one, and wait, I'm going to crop it like this. Okay, but I think this application doesn't work if the Instagram account is private. So we can only find someone's Instagram account if their profile is public, not private. Okay, and after that you can click on the search icon, and then you just need to wait for a moment. This application will find someone's Instagram account by this photo. Okay, the result will appear right here on the Google, but as you can see guys, that there is no result. If you cannot find the account, you just need to re-upload your photo, and then you can try to find it again. You can try it many times until you get the Instagram account you are searching for. Okay, and just keep trying guys until you find the Instagram account. Okay guys, and that's all the way to find someone Instagram account by photo. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.